Welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting topic that many of you have requested. How to make any woman miss you so badly. Whether you're trying to rekindle an old flame, or simply make a lasting impression on that special someone, we've got you covered. Remember, building a strong emotional connection is key to making her yearn for your presence. So buckle up as we dive into some powerful strategies that will not only have her missing you, but also longing for more. But before we start, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up to support our channel. 1. Avoid contacting her. When you're trying to make a woman miss you, it's crucial to resist the urge to constantly be in touch. Give her some breathing space and time to think about you. By creating a little distance, you allow her to reminisce about the moments you've shared and wonder what you might be up to. 2. Show her you have a vibrant life. Live your life to the fullest. Share your adventures on social media and let her see that you're enjoying life, doing exciting things, and having a blast. Your active and fulfilling lifestyle will make her curious about the great moments she could be part of. 3. Drive her crazy with curiosity. Keep her guessing. Don't reveal everything about yourself all at once. Drop hints about your interests, hobbies, or future plans, but don't spill all the beans. A little mystery can be incredibly intriguing and will leave her wanting to uncover more about the enigmatic you. 4. Be more mysterious. Alongside being curious, women are also attracted to men who have an air of mystery around them. Don't lay everything about your life bare. Keep some aspects of your personality and life discreet. It will spark her interest and make her want to discover the hidden depths of your character. 5. Evoke a sense of jealousy. While we don't encourage playing games, a small hint of healthy jealousy can ignite her feelings for you. Mention your close friends, both male and female, and let her know you have a fulfilling social life. This subtle reminder of your desirability can make her miss the attention she gets from you. 6. Create emotional connections. Connect with her on an emotional level. Listen to her thoughts, share your own, and support her during challenging times. When you build strong emotional bonds, she'll naturally feel more connected to you, and that connection will be what she craves when you're not around. 7. Give her space. Remember, it's essential to strike a balance between being present and giving her space. Respect her need for alone time, and allow her to miss you by not being overly clingy. Giving her space will help her realize just how much you mean to her. There you have it, our effective strategies on how to make any woman miss you so badly. By following these tips, you'll not only stay on her mind, but also create a lasting impression that she won't be able to resist. Remember, genuine connections are built on trust and respect, so use these techniques wisely and always be yourself. Before you go, show some love to our channel by hitting that subscribe button and giving this video a thumbs up. We appreciate your support. If you have any other topics you'd like us to cover, leave them in the comments below. Until next time, happy dating.